Hello, this is Unomas again signing in YouTube. And the title of my tutorial is Unomas Tutorial Yahoo Multi-Avatar Grabber Y Alpine Bad Boys Clan. I'm dedicating this stuff to my Y Alpine Bad Boys Clan. So let's do this fast and easy. Okay, first you must open the program, okay? And close it open. Now, what you want to do is, I'm already using Y Supra and I'm already in the room, okay? Let's see. Example here. I'll copy paste this clipboard here. I have the ID in here, and here I'll put the ID in here. Okay. And you should just have to copy paste some usernames in the room. Okay. So on and so forth. I'm just giving you an example how to use this. Okay, after example, you just put as many IDs that it completes the block in here, and you just click and grab. And there it goes. There it goes. See? You can put in another one if you want to. You can put in another one if you want to. As long as this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 10 avatar, okay? And you can grab it, he doesn't have any avatar in there. So that's it. You just have to copy paste the ID in there. Put the ID and the space in there, and just click and grab, and just and it's working, guys. Multi-avatar grabber by Medirato. Okay, October 14, 2012. Unomas signing out, guys. Bye.